Okay, we're almost there now. We are doing the base, or part E. Okay, so for this one here, part E, there we go, it's the base, so like this bit here. So simple things for this: pencil and a ruler. Right, when measuring the base, this is the bit which we're going to use a Forstner drill bit to dig out a little channel so that the gumball will fall into it and won't bounce out. So it can be very simple design on this one here. Most important thing, measure in the middle. Okay, so here we go again. Pillar drill, goggles, Forstner drill bit. Right, so you need to make sure the work is clamped down firmly. Obviously we put the machine on. Now you want to bring the Forstner bit down, I'd say about 5mm into the wood. You don't really want to go any further. Remember, it's just going to be for the gumballs to rest in. Right, so part E completed. We have pretty much finished the majority of this now. All that we've got left to do is going to be the wheel.